Have you ever wondered how rich people are actually rich? You may say that they earn more, that's why they have more wealth. Yes, that's true, but there is one more thing that they never reveal, that is their money secrets. They have some secret strategies of handling money which they never tell to anyone. But in this video we will reveal 7 of their secrets that could make you rich in 2023. So now let's start. Secret number 1, adopt the 30-day rule before engaging in impulse purchases. Have you ever made a hasty purchase and regretted over that after a few days? I think the most of us have experienced that. The well-known 30-day rule can really help you out in this situation. Simply said, if you feel like making an impulsive purchase, stop yourself and put it off for the following 30 days. If you are buying online, you might possibly put it on your wish list, just leave it in your cart, or simply persuade yourself that you won't return till 30 days have passed if you truly need the item. What happens is that by doing this, the majority of illogical purchases are eliminated, and whatever you do wind up buying after the 30-day period is almost certainly something you genuinely wanted. Secret number 2, the only time to invest is right now. Compound interest is supposed to be the 8th wonder of the universe, according to the great Albert Einstein. People who comprehend it earn it, others who do not, pay for it. Yes, another important secret of the wealthy and prosperous has been revealed. One of Warren Buffett's primary principal investments has been the mystic power of compounding. The sooner you start investing, the more time and space you give the wonderful force of compounding to do wonders for you in the long term. Everybody who has achieved wealth swears by it. It is one of the most potent tools. By adding the interest that is earned back to the principal, compounding creates returns that are exponentially higher than those that would otherwise be possible. In the long run, this particularly is beneficial. If you want to get regular financial updates, then do subscribe our channel and also like this video. Secret number 3, each day, record what you think. Remember the classic practice of keeping a diary of your everyday by writing it down on paper with a pen and ink before the digital world flooded everyone's lives? It's true that many wealthy and prosperous people have this as one of their most prevalent behaviors. By reflecting on your thoughts, slowing down, and practicing coherent thinking, writing, rather than typing, every day helps you develop self-awareness. In this approach, journaling your daily thoughts and experiences helps you to reflect on how your day went, what you may have done better, and what lessons you took away from the large or small encounters that day. In any case, allowing yourself to calmly reflect on your ideas and actions is key. It's totally acceptable if you want to enter your thoughts into an online blog or diary rather than writing them down. Secret number 4, save money first, then spend it. If you acquire things you don't need, you will eventually sell the ones you need. That is precisely the reason the majority of wealthy individuals save money first and then spend it. Stop complaining about your failure to save and stop using justifications like a lack of money, expensive costs, or a strict no-compromises approach to living according to the YOLO, that is, you only live once motto. Saving early and spending later is a practice that will help you save money. Set away money for savings each month from your salary. Any percentage can be the starting point. It might be 20%, 30%, or 50%. Just be careful to maintain your self-control and the habit. And keep in mind that you should raise your savings percentage whenever your income increases rather than increasing your spending whenever you have more money. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please do it. Secret number 5, constantly be a student of life. We live in a changing world. Indeed, change has replaced stability in life as it relates to lifestyle, technology, science, and other factors. What you are good at or know now could not matter in a few days. This means that learning is the only way to constantly develop. Sir Charlie Munger and Warren Buffett, two of the most powerful and prosperous people in the world, have consistently emphasized that the key to lifelong learning is to always be a student. Every day, in unfathomable ways, life is teaching us something new. For learning and growth to continue, only a sincere student is required. Secret number 6: resist the obvious. When you continue acting in a way that is similar to other people, you eventually turn into them. You have to stop doing and thinking the obvious in order to stand out from the crowd, like the majority of successful and wealthy individuals in the world. Think creatively and question the established rules that have been slavishly followed for years in every scenario, no matter how big or tiny it may be. In this manner, you create the habit of separating yourself from the throng and giving yourself permission to explore and experiment. It wouldn't take long for this to start functioning as your default thought pattern or mode of operation. Secret number 7: avoid taking on credit card debt. If you use a credit card to make purchases or in an emergency, make sure to pay it off each month. Credit card debt in America is $6,270 on average. The average interest rate on credit cards was 16.45% in 2023. If you enter the figures from above, a $6,270 credit card amount at a 16.45% interest rate, with a minimum payment of $100 per month, you would have to pay off this debt in 13 years. Additionally, you would accrue interest of $8,145. Pay it off completely or significantly more than the minimum amount due each month to avoid paying exorbitant interest fees. That's all for today. If you learned something new, then do subscribe our channel and also press the like button. Also keep in mind to use these secrets to the fullest. If you have any questions in your mind, then please express it in the comments. Just feel free and type it below. Also share this video with your friends and family for them to learn. Thank you for watching the video till here.